Hi and welcome to another video of Ryzel PC. Today, we're making a PC build based on a $600 or less budget. Remember that all the links are down below in the description. Give it a like and subscribe to support us. Thanks, and let's start with the video. This PC features 8GB of RAM, an AMD Ryzen 3 3200G that includes advanced Radeon Vega 8 graphics, 4 processing cores bundled with a quiet AMD Ryzen steel cooler, 4.0 GHz max boost unlocked for overclocking, 1TB hard disk, a Gigabyte B450M motherboard, and a 500-watt EVGA power supply. This gaming PC costs around $540. This PC build is a really good budget option for gamers who are looking for a new PC but don't have the necessary budget to spend on a high-end gaming PC. With this PC build, you will be able to play any competitive game in medium-low settings at 60 or more FPS. GTA 5 will run at 60 FPS, Rainbow Six Siege at 73 to 85 FPS, Resident Evil at 42 to 55 FPS, CSGO at high quality settings will run at 70 FPS, Fortnite at competitive graphics settings will run at 70 FPS, in medium quality settings at 80 FPS, and low settings at 110 FPS. Valorant at high quality settings at 110 FPS too. What we are looking for while building this PC is to get a PC that provides you excellent performance while gaming, and the Ryzen 3 3200G is the perfect budget option for that mission. The Ryzen 3 3200G has 4 cores, a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz, and a 4 MB L3 cache. It's based on a 12nm microprocessor architecture that is more advanced than one second generation Ryzen chip used. The Ryzen 3 3200G is one of the few AMD Ryzen chips that comes with built-in graphics processing, which means that if you're using it in a new budget PC build, you don't need to spend extra on a dedicated graphics card. Most integrated graphics processors, IGPs, offer basic functionality such as the ability to display videos and run apps, but they can handle demanding tasks like powering multiple 4K monitors or running 3D graphics intensive games. The Ryzen 3 3200G's IGP silicon and the dialed-out Radeon RX Vega 8 is more powerful than you'll typically see in a budget processor. It can serve as a substitute for a very low-end discrete GPU such as the NVIDIA GeForce MX 250. It offers both DisplayPort and HDMI video output support. The CPU includes a good stock cooling fan. This one is not as powerful or as attractive as the LED-adorned AMD Ray Prism fans included with some of the chip makers' more expensive desktop CPUs, but this one does the job just fine. Another thing you'll be able to do with this PC is to stream games like CSGO, Valorant, or League of Legends without any problem. But you will probably need to set these games to low settings so the stream can run better and the PC doesn't start getting loud. If you just want to upgrade this PC, we recommend you to get 2 sticks more of 4GB RAM or change 2 sticks of 8GB of RAM so you have 16GB RAM, and that's going to make your PC faster, especially while multitasking. Another thing that makes your PC better and you'll instantly feel the change is to get an SSD and install some of the games you must play there. This will run faster and run better. Last, we recommend getting in the future a graphic card, and the one that is a budget option and is a good cost efficiency option is the GTX 1650 Super. With the Ryzen 3 and the GTX 1650 Super, your PC is not a low end anymore, and it starts to begin a medium end gaming PC, being able to play the most demanding games like Red Dead Redemption, Rust, Tomb Raider, etc. So that's it for today's video. The link to this gaming PC is in the description. If you want to ask about a PC based on your budget, comment down below and we will help you to find the perfect one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like and subscribe if it helped you or if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye!